Hello, good morning. How are you today? This is Teacher Marvin, your English teacher. And today is Friday. It is the end of our weekdays, and our subject this morning is science. Are you ready? Yes, of course. I know you are happy because it's the end of our weekdays. So, shall we start with our lesson this morning? Okay, that's it. Okay, so welcome to Primary 1, the English program. And our subject this morning is science. And our topic this morning is about the movements of different animals and what are those movements of an animals. Okay, so before that, let's do have a reading, and Teacher Marvin will going to read the word twice, and then you have to repeat right after me. Is it okay? All right, so our first word is walk. Everybody say walk. Okay, very good. Next, our next word is swim. Swim. Everybody say swim. Okay, next, our word, our next word is run. Run. Everybody say run.
Slither.
Okay, next, climb. Climb. Everybody say climb. Okay, very good. And then next, our next word is fly. Fly. Everybody say fly. All right. And our next word is crawl. Crawl. Everybody say crawl. Okay. And then next, slither. Slither. Everybody say slither. There you go. And the last one is jump. Jump. Everybody say jump. Okay, last one, I think so. Swing. Swing. Everybody say swing. All right. All right, so now this time, let's do have know the different movements of an animals. Okay, so let us check one by one. I know we have millions of an animals exist in this world, but let's do have some examples of the different animals that we have. And those words that we read earlier are those are the movements of the different animals. Okay, shall we start? Animals can walk and run. I know that we have a lot of animals, but what are those examples of animals who can walk and run? So we have the horse, and then we have also the cheetah. They are able to walk and run because of their legs. And then cheetah is one of the fastest animal who can run. But in but cheetah cannot run in a long in a long in a long run. Okay. Yes, cheetah is one of the fastest animal who can run, but otherwise they cannot run in a longer space. Okay. So another one, because of the legs that they have, they can able to run faster. All right. And then what else? And then as what I have said, that cheetah is one of the fastest animal who can run. However, they cannot run for a long distance. So that is one of the characteristic of the cheetah. Okay, how we have also animal who can climb and swing. These are the animals who can climb and swing because of their legs and then their hands, such as the monkeys. Monkeys is one of the fastest animal who can climb, and just small number of an animal who can swing, and that is the monkey. Okay, because of their legs, they are able to climb and swing. Okay, so we have another animals who can jump or crawl. So animals who can jump and crawl is the frog. Frog able to jump, frog able to crawl because of their legs. But aside from that, a frog can also swim because of their legs. There are some animals who cannot swim with their legs, but frog is one of the example who can also swim. But the main characteristic of animals of the frog when it comes of its uh, movement is to jump and to crawl. All right, so we have another walk and fly. Animals who can walk and fly is the pigeon, and this is what we call the flamingos. Yes, the pigeon and flamingos can walk, and also they can fly because of its wings. They are able to fly because of its wings. They can walk because of their two legs, but they can also fly because of its wings. So that is one of the example. All right, slither. Slither, okay. Slither is what we call, it's snake is one of the example who can slither because of its body. Though snake don't have legs, but they can slither, they can move their body through slither. So that is slither. And swim. And most of the animals who live in the sea, or what we call the marine animals, are capable to swim. And dolphins is one of the animals who can swim because of their fins. Okay, it helps to swim fast because of their fins and then their tail. So swim. All right, let's do have a question one by one. Okay, so I will going to give you two choices. Which movement this animal can? A, run, B, fly. Which movement this animal can? A, run, B, fly. And the correct answer is, of course, run because of its four legs. Okay, now next. How about this one? Which of the movements this animal can? A, slither. B, jump. Which movements this animal can? A, jump. B, slither. The correct answer is jump. All right. Okay, how about this one? Which movement these marine aquatic animals can? Which body movements this animal can? This is one of the biggest marine aquatic animals in the ocean. So the correct answer is swim. Very good. Okay. Which animals this which movement of these animals can? A, swing. B, fly. Again, which movements of the animals this animal can? A, swing. B, fly. The correct answer is, of course, fly because of its wings. All right, next. Which animal, which body movements of animals this animal can? A, slither. B, run. And this animal is one of the biggest bird with a fastest to run, one of the fastest animals to run. However, they cannot run in a long distance. So the correct answer is run. Very good. Okay, another one. How about this one? Which body movement of animals this animal can? A, crawl. B, jump. Because of its six legs, they able to, the correct answer is crawl. Very good. All right, so another one. Which body movement of animals this animal can? A, jump. B, slither. The correct answer is very good. It's slither. All right. So how about this one? Which body movement of animals this animal can? A, swing. B, crawl. Which body movement of animals this animal can? A, swing. B, crawl. The correct answer is very good. It's swing. That's it. So I hope you really understand with our lesson about the animal movement. So before we will end our lesson this morning, let's do have a review. How do we read this word? It's walk. Very good. Okay, again, how about this one? How do we read this word? All right, it's swim. Everybody say swim. Okay, another one. How do we read this word? Very good. It's run. Everybody say run. Okay. All right. How about this word? How do we read this word? Very good. It's climb. And how about this one? Okay, it's fly. Everybody say fly. Okay, another one. How do we read this word? Very good. It's crawl. Everybody say crawl. Okay. And then we have, okay, how about this one? How do we read this word? Very good. It's slither. Slither. And then how about this one? How do we read this word? Okay, very good. It's jump. Jump. And how about this one? Okay, it's swing. Swing. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoy with our lesson this morning about the body movements of an animal. So thank you so much for having here. This is Teacher Marvin, your English teacher. Sawadee Krap, and bye-bye.